Today in this video I am sharing about Microsoft Word and 10 useful tips and tricks of Microsoft Word. Now let's start from Word first. Here you can see Word document. Within Word, you can use various features. Today, I will share about 10 features that you might not have used so often. Now let's start from first one, that is sorting. In Word, you can simply select text, number or date you want to sort like this and select A to Z here or sort option like this. You can sort ascending or descending by this way. Click OK. Now you can see here it is sorted in ascending order. By this way you can sort text, number, date in Microsoft Word. Second tips I am sharing here is using formula in Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word, you can use formula as in Excel. For that, simply you can move to Layout option. Layout. From Layout, you can select Formula within Data section. From here, you can select Formula. Here, you can set like equals to sum above, means it will sum these two value. You can also select number format from here like this and click OK. You can use other function too, like average, count, define, pause, if. You can also use other function here. Now let's use sum function or formula and click OK. Now you can see these two values are added. If you change it here, it won't get updated, but you can simply redo same process by inserting formula. Now it is updated. Third tips I am showing here is Office theme. You can change theme of your Office app. Simply select account here. Now you can get option to change theme. You can change background to Office theme. You can select colorful theme, dark gray theme or black theme like this. You can select colorful, dark gray, white and black from this option. Now let's get back. Next tips I am sharing here is save as PDF. Most of you may be unknown about this feature. You can simply save your Word document as PDF within Microsoft Word. You need not to convert your Word document to PDF using any other app or online converter. You can simply click File, Save As and select location where you want to save. From Save As type, you can select PDF like this and save. Now your document is saved as PDF. You can see here to details.pdf in Foxit Reader. Next tips I am sharing here is pin documents. In Microsoft Word, if you have any document you used to use frequently, you can pin them to get easy access. You can simply click pin Here I have already pinned this. You can see here, pin this item to the list. You can pin from here like this. Now let's move to pinned option here. Here you can see two files are pinned here, so you can get access easily to this file. Next tips I am sharing here is landscape and portrait in same document. If you want to set two different types of papers within same document, you can simply select a portion which you want to keep as landscape in portrait document. Here you can see I'll select this table portion and move to layout. Within layout you can get breaks option. Is page break, you can also have section breaks here. Let me use next page option here. Now table is moved to next page, and I will also move this portion in next section, breaks and next page. Now table is placed in single page. Now I can simply select this page and select orientation and landscape. Now you can see first page is in portrait view and second in landscape view. You can enlarge your table like this, so it can be viewed easily. And third page in portrait view, fourth two in portrait view. Next tips I am sharing here is adding serial number in tables. Here you can see on table, sometime you may need to add serial number within table. For that you can simply add on column first, like insert column to the left. Here I have added on column. Now I will select this portion in which I want to add serial number by this way and move to home tab. Within home tab you can select numbers like this. Here now you can see numbering within same table. By this way you can add serial numbers in table in Microsoft Word. Next tips I am sharing here is set default font. For that you can simply move to font option here, select font section, arrow like this. Now you can select font, and if you are working for any organization and you need to use certain font, you can select that font like this. You can select font type, font style and size by this way and set as default. Here you can select for this document only or all documents based on the normal template. If you want to set for other documents too, you can select second option, and if you want to set for this document only, you can select this document only and OK. By this way you can set default font in Microsoft Word. Next tips I am sharing here is paragraph line. Sometime we used to create paragraph line, and after closing document and opening back we may not be able to remove this line simply by clicking or selecting this line like this. You can't get option to delete this line. This line can be removed by selecting borders option within paragraph. You can select border option and no border, like this. Now this line is removed. Next tips I am sharing here is side-by-side view in Microsoft Word and how to use side-by-side view. Now let's open another Word document too. Let me close this first and copy Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Now I have two Word document. Here in desktop I will open both the documents. You can see here two documents. If you want to view both the files by side, you can simply select view, and within window you can select view side by side. Now you can view both the files, and if you need to compare the changes, you can also select this option to scroll both the document at a time. For that you can on synchronous scrolling. If you close this, only one document will be scrolled, and if you want to scroll both the document at a time, you can select this icon. Now both the document will be scrolled at a time. These are the 10 tips and tricks. Hope these tips and tricks will be helpful for you too. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to hit subscribe button and click the bell icon for upcoming